This is CES 2023. Okay, Christopher, we're at the BlackVue Dash Camera booth. What is new with BlackVue?
Yeah, for BlackVue, we do have our 970 LTE model. It's a built-in LTE. I think a lot of customers of BlackVue are anticipating this release this coming year. This 2023, it's a built-in LTE dashcam 4K. So before we have only the full HD, but now we have the LTE and at the same time 4K resolution. So it's 4 times better than the previous one.
So this is true 4K?
Yeah, true 4K resolution. So compared to full HD, it's like 4 times better.
Okay, so
resolution.
So what is the advantage of like the built-in LTE? What can people do with that?
With the built-in LTE, they don't need any module, LTE module. It has also built-in SIM card slot, which they can put their SIM card, especially if you're in Canada or in US. And it will work like for any telecom network like AT&T, T-Mobile, Telus. So, and it also can come with our own BlackVue SIM card.
And what do people, what kind of things can you do with like the 4G LTE?
4G LTE?
Yeah.
For that 4G LTE, it will enable your dashcam to connect to cloud, and you can monitor your dashcam even you are far from it. So it's really good for you to know that your car is safe whatever you are. So as long as you're using it from parking mode solutions, and then you can monitor your car at anywhere you are.
And of course, just like almost all dash cameras now, you do have parking mode, you have different G sensors.
Right.
Anything else special with this new camera?
With this new camera, it comes with the native parking solution. So this one is, our parking solution is based on G sensor, but this one is also based on our engine or your acceleration. So if the engine is turned off, then it will automatically goes to parking mode when the engine is off. So when it's hardwired and using the three-wire hardwiring solutions, then at the time we turn off the engine, then it will go directly to parking mode.
Do you know the availability and the price of this yet?
Yeah, so far, definitely it will be around $500 or more. So depending on the release date on March. So I think a lot of customers are waiting for it. So we're hit.
All right, we're looking forward to it.
Yeah, same with you. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you.